Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you can log into your Rockstar Social Club account. This ensures you can make changes. Once logged in, check that two-factor authentication is set and that your recovery phone or alternate email is accessible, because Rockstar will often send verification codes. Make sure you also note any linked platforms like Steam or Console ID, since changing the primary email may require re-verifying those connections. Once done, proceed to the Account Settings page, where the email change is initiated. You navigate to Settings, then Login and Security, and choose to edit your email. This step updates your identity with Rockstar. Type the new email carefully, because a typo locks you out, then enter your current password to authorize the change. You will receive a 2FA code. Enter it promptly to confirm it's you. Once done, Rockstar sends a confirmation link to the new address. Click that link to finalize the swap. Make sure to check spam folders if the message doesn't appear quickly. You finish by clicking the confirmation link in the new email and then relogging into Social Club to verify access. This proves the change succeeded. If you can't access the confirmation or receive errors, use Account Recovery Flow and be ready to submit proof of ownership, purchase receipts, linked platform ID, and the old email info help. Once done, update any games or platforms using that Rockstar account. If problems persist, contact Rockstar support with clear ownership evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.